Hello traders. So in this lecture we are going to do the analysis and we are going to execute the trade. So here on the one screen I am using the tradingview.com and another screen I am focusing on the IQ option. TradingView I am using for easy understanding that which chart is moving in which direction. So in GBP USD we can have a move the falling side. So here we have gone for the put trade. So those who are there with binary option secret revealed course, they will understand that here we are having the smooth formation, and with that we have executed the put trade. So here my alert was there to go for the put trade here at this point, but let's now focus on this particular trade only. So here we have got our winning position. Now let's wait for the another signal. So USD JPY is moving good. C is having the strong selling pressure. Frame to 1 minute. So in Euro GBP we can see the strong selling pressure. Let's wait for more proper entry, then we will try to execute our trade. Actually our entry should be here at this particular candlestick for put side. No problem, we missed it. Okay, delay in the trade. We are going to neutralize it. Now here at this point what has happened, my entry should be here exactly after the candlestick gets closed, but our entry has got here at this point. So therefore we have neutralized this trade. Let's wait and watch. Neutralizing the trade means not to lose whole our account, means like we have invested $100 for this particular trade, so we are not going to lose total $100, we are just going to lose $10-11. That's the case of neutralizing. So here we have made the loss of $10. Let's see, wait and watch. We have to go for Euro GBP call trade. Once we are going to have the proper formation. Now here you can see the smooth formation has happened in this chart. So therefore we are going to go for each and every trade after the formation. What is the smooth formation? You will learn in the binary option trading course. So going for the call trade. Yes. Our trade has got executed at right point. Let's wait then. More 41 seconds. 15 seconds more. 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have won this particular trade also. Now here also we have to go for the call trade, but the problem is here we are having the fresh level, so we have to just wait and watch. We should have gone for the call trade because major trend is in the uptrend, but let's see, wait and watch. Okay, so we should have entered that for the trade. We missed the trade, no problem. So basically those who are joined to the course, they will understand the smooth formation, and after that 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, those traders can execute the trade on all these 3 candlesticks. They will have the understanding that what candlestick is going to form after what. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Till then I am checking all other markets. We have missed. Euro USD is going great. Then GBP AUD is also going great. USD CAD is also good. And let's wait and watch for more entries. GBP JPY. $33 seconds more. Okay, so we lose this trade by just few seconds. No problem. Okay, so our trades has got executed properly. So here we have taken $200 trade. Because I was having more confirmation. Okay, so here we have got $178.41 positive. See how the fall we have got. Now let's see if we have to stop here or not. Okay, I will surely recommend. So we are not having any kind of signal anywhere. Let's wait for the best, or else we will stop trading for today. Because what I have taught in my courses is that we have to not take 10-20 trades for per day. We have to just take 5 to 4 trades, and those 5 to 4 trades you have to execute so properly and with so much dedication that whatever trade you execute, it should be in the right direction. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Now here we are having the support. So do we have to go for the call or we have to go for the put? And the stick is going to provide us the information. So here strong entry of buyers. Let's wait for a few minutes. So here we have gone for the call trade. Let's wait and watch. This might be little risky trade because in the past the market was not so good. Here you can see market was not so good. So this can be little risky one. Three, two, one. Yes, we won the trade by very few points here. So for today we are going to stop our trading. You can see how we have got the entry of sellers now. So this was very risky trade. So we are going to stop our trading for our day. Thank you.